So, okay, now comes the fun part, the construction. And we are going to start here. Okay, let's come over. Okay, there we go. So we're gonna come over here. I'm gonna pull that out. Okay, and we're going to slide this down. Alrighty, there we go. Okay, and we got some crumbs there. We'll just move those to the side. Okay, and we're gonna put the next piece on, but it is going to be in the opposite direction. So, put a little bit of vanilla cream frosting between here. For the life of me, I looked all over for one of those frosting spreaders that I see them use on Ace of Cakes. I couldn't find one, but I figured this knife will do the job all right. It's kind of broad. There's one thing I'm concerned about. It is the dowel. I do not want it to stick up, but that might happen. Yep, that's happening. Okay, well, that's all right, no big deal. I guess we could try and saw it. Okay. Okay, good. Alright, so we are centered. That's fine. It doesn't have to be perfect. But we are now going to frost. Well, before we frost, I need to mix my cactus colored frosting. Alrighty, our cactus now has a nice smooth surface. Some parts smoother than others, but that's okay. And right now I'm going to make some potting soil, so I'm going to set the cactus aside for a sec and bring over our muffin tops. My hands are clean. Okay. Now, there we have chocolate cake crumbs, and yes, they're nice and dark, but and brown and it's dirt, but we want this to look like potting soil, and potting soil usually has those little bits of nitrogen in them. So what I did was I spread out some frosting in this little cupcake cup and let it dry out, and we're gonna mix this in with our crumbs. There. That is, and that, and that. Okay, and you know, I'm going to use this leftover towel to mix it up here. Okay. Whoop! My bad. Okay. Again, clean, don't worry, clean workspace here. So, alright, so there we go. Now we have something resembling potting soil. And we are going to put this into our false bottom. I want to be very careful here, so I'm going to put it in by hand. Okay, well there we go. We have our potting soil with our cactus. And I wonder if anyone's going to think I used the actual potting soil. Maybe not. But I guess the key thing is that every element, I want every element to be edible, even if it's not going to be eaten, and because I don't think anyone is going to try and eat the potting soil. But if they want, they're going to say, eat dirt. Alrighty, well, I guess I can eat this. Not too bad. I'm not going to eat any more though.